Imagine this. You're on a secluded road, the sun is setting, and your car battery dies. No signal, no passerby in sight. Panic starts to set in. What do? In these moments, a portable jump starter can be your saving grace. Not only can it get your car up and running, but it also offers a range of features that can keep you safe and connected in emergency situations. Let's dive into why a portable jump starter should be a staple in every vehicle. Why you need a portable jump starter. Immediate rescue. No need to rely on another vehicle for a jump start. With a portable jump starter, you have the power to restart your car anytime, anywhere. Convenience and peace of mind. Compact and easy to use, these devices fit neatly in your trunk, ensuring you're always prepared for the unexpected. Multifunctionality. Many models come equipped with additional features like USB ports for charging your phone, LED flashlights for visibility at night, and even air compressors for inflating tires. Cost-effective. Avoid the cost and hassle of towing services. A one-time investment in a portable jump starter can save you time and money in the long run. Features to look for: power and capacity. Ensure the jump starter has enough power, measured in amps, to start your vehicle. For most cars, 400-600 amps is sufficient, but larger vehicles might require more. Safety features. Look for models with built-in protection against overcharging, short-circuiting, and reverse polarity to ensure safe operation. Portability and size. Choose a compact and lightweight model that's easy to store and transport. Additional features. Extras like built-in flashlights, USB charging ports, and air compressors can add value and versatility. Top portable jump starters on the market. Noco Boost Plus GB40. Renowned for its reliability and robust build, this model provides 1,000 amps, suitable for most vehicles. It also features an integrated LED flashlight and USB ports. TacLife T8. Known for its high capacity and multifunctionality, the TacLife T8 offers 800 amps, an LED flashlight, USB ports, and an LCD screen that shows the battery status. DB Power. 800A, this budget-friendly option delivers 800 amps and includes smart charging ports and a built-in compass, perfect for those who love adventure. BATIT BTD11 800A. Compact and powerful, this jump starter offers 800 amps, USB ports for charging devices, and an LED flashlight with SOS mode. Tips for using a portable jump starter: regularly check and charge. Ensure your jump starter is fully charged before long trips and check its charge periodically. Read the manual. Familiarize yourself with the operation instructions and safety precautions. Store properly. Keep your jump starter in a cool, dry place within your vehicle, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Conclusion. A portable jump starter is more than just a backup plan. It's a critical tool for ensuring safety and convenience on the road. By investing in one, you not only equip yourself to handle unexpected car troubles, but also gain a versatile device that can support you in various situations. So next time you hit the road, make sure you have this indispensable gadget in your trunk. Thank you all for tuning in to today's video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked what you saw and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.